People know where you're pointing. Coming.
You gave him the hose, didn't you?
The hose is right there.
The hose is right there.
I know there's another one.
Uh-uh.
I can hear something. Where'd he go, guys? Tell me where he went. I'll dump the water on you two.
You do that and your ass will be shoved in the toilet.
Oh, I'm scared. You can't do anything. You're backed out.
I'll get someone else to do it for me.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go, Mom? Come on.
Marissa,
You're the weakest
you
link.
dump that on me?
Tell me where he went.
You did not attack Mondre! No!
She started that.
I did not!
Did you hear the conversation?
Yeah, I was sitting right there the whole time.